Are you experiencing broken fragments in your life today? Have you thought about committing suicide? Have you been depressed? Have you been diagnosed with a diagnosis from the doctors and you can't see the light in the darkness? Well, I pray that the broken fragment chapter will help you to know that there is light in the darkest of darkness, that God's light shines, that He can pull you through whatever fragmented pieces that you are facing. I pray that you will be blessed, that you will laugh, you will cry, that you will experience the move of God as you read this chapter, knowing that it doesn't matter how many shattered pieces you are looking at, that God is able to take those fragmented pieces and make them whole.